happens if you lose? Live or die. Make your choice.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Yes, excellent. I haven't had this much fun in ages. What did you say your name was?
Give me more pain, give me more struggle, give me more hardship, give me more of everything. I live for this shit.
What on earth makes you think I give a fuck about your opinion on my life? Until you can say you had a hand in making me the person I am today? Shut the fuck up. You didn't make me, so you can't break me. Someone's time and breath are being wasted and it ain't mine. So you can make better use of your time by not worrying about what I do, or you can stay tuned into the show. I got more episodes coming, motherfucker.
I really don't care if people talk shit about me. I was raised to flush shit down the toilet, not play with it. You think you can stop me? I have been through more hell than you can fathom. No matter how many times I am knocked down, I will always get back up stronger. Never underestimate me.